Crispy.
15 minutes yet?
Yeah. Very own Darkside. That's Ninja. Look at this motherfucker. It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with another video. I want to say welcome to the channel if you are new, and I want to say welcome back if you're an OG to the channel. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe. If you like this content, please share me. Get me out there. Mustang Muscle community is trying to take off, trying to grow. We got a lot of you guys in the comment section. You know, I love that. I like the way that you guys are continuing to just keep the channel alive, keep the channel flowing. I'm out here with the Darkside Mustang crew, of course. You know I represent. And we might have a little ride out tonight, man. I'm really hoping we do. If we don't, it's all good. We do our little gather up, meet up, whatever like that. And you guys stay tuned, please. I didn't mean to cut you off. So, how's the stains and kicks going?
Oh, shit, everything's great.
Get hit.
The thing is, we gotta get more pictures of.
It's another way to go.
Kicks by their cars, so I can keep looking at them.
Oh yeah, I gotta text that.
But what it did bring was somebody that's in the
Yeah, I started to do that the other day.
So y'all getting the inside exclusive what we got going on. You know I love meetups and I love shindigs and stuff.
Yeah, stains and kicks.
Damn.
Stains and kicks.
Go follow on Instagram, Stains and Kicks. And type it in, you'll see us lining up all our stains and our shoes and kicks and all that stuff. You know?
Stains and kicks, baby.
Oh, by the way, any of y'all got some Instagram tags y'all want to shout out?
Eco Boomer 672. Not that active, but see me on there.
Coyote hard hitting. Coyote hard hitting.
Is that what a C or a
Body
K?
slam that subscribe button, Mustang Muscles 5.0. Do that for us, please.
Oh yeah. New C8. Nice color. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. I want to be like him when I get older. But yeah, if you like this type of content, please make sure you smash the like button, share the content, get Mustang Muscle 5.0 community out there soaring amongst it all. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you. What you say?
Out there.
Get it what?
Get it out there.
And that right there concludes the video. Peace.